Oh, fuck. Oh shit. Go ahead, Ron. All right, Ron, let you do your business. Yeah, they're husky, so they're enjoying this. Y'all enjoying the snow, huh? 2021. I think the last time it snowed was maybe like 4 years ago. I think I made a video on it. Nah, I've never seen my car covered up in this much snow before. That's insane. All right, guys, so I decided to walk up the street a little bit. Oh, this is sick. I wonder if I could slide down this part right here. That would be sick. And I got the little go-kart. That must be nice. All right, guys, so I'm actually thinking about, oh my God. I'm actually thinking about going home. Oh my God. Man, this is San Antonio. This is crazy. Oh, or maybe this part. I'm thinking of going home real quick, grabbing one of my old boards, like my old decks, and sliding down maybe this part right here. I don't know. I wonder if I can set up. Maybe if I set up my tripod on this thing, whatever the hell this is. What is this? Some random thing. And oh my God. I almost slipped. Oh, Jesus Christ. Damn, look at the water. It's just frozen. Look at all that ice. I'm gonna try it out. Let's see what happens. I got my first ever high society deck, and I'm heading back to that spot. Actually, now looking at it, I'm low-key kind of scared because I don't know exactly what I'm gonna run into down there. You know, let's go check down there first and see. You see this part right here, I'm not sure what I'm gonna run into. Oh, I guess it's just really just snow. All right, fuck it, we're gonna try it. Let's do this. Guess we're gonna slide it first, see how it is. Oh shit! Oh my God, bro. Oh shit. That shit was fun, bro. All right, I'm going again, but this time I'm gonna go a little bit faster, full speed. All right, here we go. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Where'd my board go? Oh man, I slid off to the side on that one. I kind of want to go standing up now, cause oh my God. Fuck! Ah, that is so cold. Woo! Oh fuck! Where'd my board go? Oh, there it is. Yo, I have to try standing up now. I have to. God, it's so cold though. I'm not gonna lie. It is cold. All right, guys, we're gonna do it standing up. You know what? You only live once. Might as well. Oh shit! I forgot my phone's in my pocket. All right, please be with me, Jesus. Oh my God, bro. I don't know about this. Here we go. I'm going balls out. Ah, fuck. Ah. Okay, that didn't work. All the snow, I took off all the snow. I have to do it right here. All right, here we go. Balls out. Woo! Oh! Holy shit, it worked. Yo, we have to go to that spot over there. I have to go try that one. That one's like way more, I think it's more, it's probably not as steep, but it's a lot longer. Try this one more time and then I'm gonna go to that one and I'll probably head home because I don't want to get frostbite or anything. All right, here we go. Let's try and make it all the way to the end. See, I already took off all the snow. You know what, fuck it, let's go to that one. Okay, so never mind. The snow is too deep. The board just sinks in. There's no way. Yeah, there's no way. All right, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fall on this one because it's kind of going at a slant. But you know what, I'm just gonna go for it. I don't think it's gonna work. It's gonna work, it's not gonna work. Yo, this is insane, man. Snowboarding in San Antonio, Texas. Never thought I'd say that. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. My feet and my hands are feeling really cold and I don't want to risk getting frostbite, so I'm not sure how good this angle is. I'm not even sure if it's recording, but if y'all enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all for the next video. I'm out. Peace.
Keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my